Hello, I am Nancy. Let me introduce you to our website, www.partsforcompressor.com. Wish to search for our products? Click on the menu, select the product category and select your product type. Require any further details for our product? Click on Ask About Product. Ask about products. Please provide us with your name, your email address and queries related to the products. Click on Send button. Add to cart on partsforcompressor.com. Visit www.partsforcompressor.com. Select product category from menu. Select product type you required. Click Add to cart. Do you have product number? Please enter your product number in the search tab. Got your product? Click Add to cart. Want to increase number of product quantity? Please increase the quantity of pieces required. After adding to cart, click Request for Quotation. Request for quotation. Click Request for Quotation. If you already have accounts with partsforcompressor.com, please enter email ID and your password for signing in. Click on Sign in. Create accounts with partsforcompressor.com. Visit partsforcompressor.com. Go to Sign In tab on right end of website. Click on Sign In. Click on Create an account. Enter the details for registration. Enter your email ID. Set a password and repeat the same. Enter the additional information. If you have courier account, you can select from drop-down menu. Please check the checkbox for terms and conditions. Click on Create an account. Your account has successfully created. You will receive confirmation link to verifying your email address. Are you still facing issues? Chat online with Parts for Compressor team. We are here to help you. Thank you for your interest in partsforcompressor.com. We appreciate you stopping by. We will be in touch with an answer to your inquiry within 24 hours.